Semaj and I's Fun Adventures!
Okay guys, so take out your personal computer and type in Echo Park Swan Boat Rentals. Make sure that you have access to the internet, of course. Okay guys, it should take you to this page, and go ahead and scroll down and hit the reservations are required book now. And just to let you guys know that this video is not sponsored. Okay, so go ahead and fill out the information if you guys have a gift card or a promo code. Now the dates that are shaded in green, I believe those are the dates that are available. So go ahead and select a date and select your time. Okay, after you selected a time and date, it should take you to this page where you will have to enter how many adults and if there's any children that's going to be on the boat as well. And I believe the max is about 5 guests, and enter the correct contact information. And once that is done, you should see some green check marks that'll appear. And once that's filled out, just go ahead and click on continue. Okay, so now this is the third step, which is the checkout, and this is where they take your payment information, enter your credit card number, your postal code, if you have any coupons that you guys want to redeem. This is the page, and after you filled out all the information correctly, press the process booking. Once your payment has been approved and processed, you should get a receipt in your email, the email that you provided in the information section.
motorcycle.
Climb across. Monkey bars. Are the monkey bars? Can you do it? Are you strong enough to go across the monkey bars? Go.
I can't.
No?
Try it one more time.
Okay. Okay. Let's see, go across the monkey bars. Let's see you do it. No? Okay. Right there. Hi. Hi, Semaj. Are you having fun? Are you gonna make it? Or you can't make it, too much tacos. Yeah, you made it to the top. Right. Go through that tunnel. Okay.
No, you gotta wait for your turn.
Alright, I see you. I'll see you at the other side of that tunnel. Ah, you made it! Careful. Go down the slide! Yay! Okay. Yeah. Hey, hey. You made it. You made it. Climb, slide, run.